Earlier this week, a parent named Christine Joy Rivera posted her child's module because it asked this question: what do airplanes sound like? The questionnaire, which has been reposted online almost 18,000 times, gave students 4 options to choose from: wang wang wang, eng-eng-eng, wee wee wee, and pip 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 pip. Rivera and the rest of her family couldn't decide on the right answer, and until today, they have yet to choose the answer.
Ambulance. We, NG Serena NG Ambulancia, Pag Papatabi sa ibang sasakin at sa tao may pasyenteng mabilis not in Idalisai Hospital. Motorcycle. Broom, broom, NG motorsiklang mandar. Ship. Pot, 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 NG dadayang nabapor. Airplane. NG lumilipad na Eroplano. Fire truck. Cling, cling, NG Serena NG track NG bombero may sunog. Brain. Zug, zug, NG honest orderating notron. CAR. Pipe, 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 NG cuts, jippo track, peg papatabi sa tao o ibang sasakin, peg tawag sa pasahero.
Despite the challenges posed by blended learning, a method that combines various forms of media, the stay-at-home mother said that her son is doing well. He's okay. He can still follow the lessons. We just choose the easy questions, she said.